Hi, this is Jill from BoomerTECH Adventures. Got boxes of 35mm slides gathering dust in a closet? Wondering how to finally bring those memories into the digital age? You're not alone, and we've got you covered. Our BTA guide, Chris Toy's video on turning slides into digital images, has helped over 165,000 people around the world do exactly that. That's what BoomerTECH Adventures is all about. We help Apple users get more out of their iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Whether you want to take better photos, edit them for stunning results, master text message tricks, or navigate Safari like a pro across all your devices. And here's the thing. Every time Apple releases an update, things change. New features appear, familiar buttons move, and suddenly your device feels unfamiliar again. We're here to help you stay current and confident. Subscribe to our channel today so you never miss a new video, and keep doing more with the technology you already own.